What's up, chat? Welcome to the Gbpjpy channel. It's a Thursday, as you guys already know, it's a Thursday, and guys, I'm gonna lie to you. The market has been very juicy this week. The market has been delivering. It's just me, or kind of I don't know for other people, but for me personally, it's just missing trades upon trades upon trades upon trades upon trades. The market has been very, very, very juicy and simple, in terms of what GBPJPY. Why am I saying this, guys? Uh, from how the market has been behaving in recent times, tapping off zones, giving confirmations, making the trade logical, making the setup logical, kind of like makes gives that relief, because we're not in that time that the market makes no sense. You're trying to kind of like wrap your head around it, trying to like force yourself to understand, right? Because what you're doing is not kind of like clicking, like you're trying like it doesn't click because you're trying to like comprehend it, but still, right? So yes, I'll be sharing my screen with you guys on GJ, share with you guys what I'm anticipating, how the other trade went, which we kind of like missed, but how it went off, like very, very, very smooth, very, very smooth, like smoothly smooth, right? Went off very nicely. I wish I might with you guys, right? And as you guys already know, yo, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. So anytime more I drop a video, you get the first people get updated and tap into the knowledge, right? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, man. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get into the chat. Alright, guys. This is my GBPJPY screen, right? You guys can see that we had a rally to the upside yesterday. Let me clear this trend line first for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Guys, there's one thing I'm feeling so far about GBPJPY. It's about what the trend line, the third touch, like how efficient it is. I already kind of like knew stuff about it, but I wasn't kind of like adding it to my trading arsenal, the tools that I kind of like look out for. So yeah, the market had moved, moved, and we had this area of interest here. The market came to retest the area of interest and touch the trend line. And guys, to even add more, spice to the to the steel, this also came off a 61.8 Fibonacci level. So first of all, I had a 61.8, I had a trend line, I had the area of interest, right? Guys, just look at the confirmations alone. It's a very low risk trade, right? So yes, it's made a lot of sense, which was missed. The entire setup was missed, guys, because this happened, the Asian session, guys, happening in the Asian session, and we're kind of like ranging here at this point, so this trade wasn't taking, right? But yeah, as you guys saw earlier previously, we'll have my trend line here. If you saw it, I have my trend line, another trend line here at this point. you know I have my trend line here at this point, which has been breaking, and the market is now sitting on the area of interest, sitting on the area of interest. I kind of like breaking a trend line, sitting on the area of interest on the psych level. So yes, I'm waiting on what the market on like confirmation to see what the market is going to be doing. I don't want to kind of like act quick now, right? Let's look in the market and let's see what's gonna do, what's gonna happen, right? So we can be able to conclude if you have a trade or we don't, right? I don't want to rush things. All right. So then you guys saw it for yourself. You guys saw like just this areas of interest, these zones, like just having markets react off them, like just you know comfortably, like coolly, like it's very, very like a nice thing to see, like a bit of relief, right? Because sometimes previously the market just was moving in like a very crazy way for real, guys. You're trying to kind of like even wrap it around the but it still doesn't make enough sense. But now, thank God, the market is just tapping off the zone, bouncing off the zones, just moving in that like in that sequence. It's kind of like making a lot of sense, right? You guys saw my what I'm anticipating. We are currently at the area of interest here, so hopefully we get a confirmation, right? The confirmation you're gonna get is gonna depend whether what price is gonna break the area of interest, or it's gonna bounce off it, right? So yes, anyways, I'll be updating you guys whatever happens, what goes down. I'll be updating you guys. If you guys found any content helpful, hit the subscribe button, so anytime I drop a video, you will be the first person to get updated and tap into the knowledge. And yeah, if you found the content helpful, hit the thumbs up button so this video can be recommended to other people, so they can also tap in, right? Don't be selfish. Like the video, like this up, and let people or let this video be commented to other people, so they can also see the message and learn from it. It's been love since day one. I love you guys. I really appreciate your peace out.